Hi, I'm Saumil Dhru, in industry from almost 35 plus years. Since the last 2 decades, I'm working with Arya Omnitalk. Throughout my journey, I have worked as a business strategist as well as technologist, and always tried to evolve the business and grow the business on a tech stance. Handling mobile data application business for Arya Omnitalk, with multiple branch offices and service locations across the country. Me being in telematics industry from almost 2 decades, technologist, I feel I have a fairly good perception of the current industry landscape. I would comment that it's an industry with a lot of possibilities. There are high scope of opportunities. If I see past years, industry has grown and it is visible that it will grow multifold. So when I say industry can grow, what are the bases? See, every industry to go, there are enablers. So few enablers are such which are internal, few enablers are external. In terms of external enablers, let me say the biggest driver for this industry will be our country strategy. See, we are targeting growth in infra, we are targeting growth in healthcare, we are targeting growth in highways, etc. Things will be such that transportation will be of a key requirement. And when there is a requirement of transportation, there is a requirement of telematics solution. So let me just say that telematics indirectly will be the biggest tech drivers for transportation, and transportation being an enabler for growth, we can link how the growth will be. Industry will be needing like tracking and tracing of the vehicle, compliance of those vehicles, the way they will move. People will want data driven decisions than a normal decisions, which helps business to optimize the transportation, which helps business to bring their costs low. That also is being done by telematics. On top of it, government is implementing AIS 140 mandate, that is making GPS based tracking devices to be fitted in the vehicle mandatorily, and that is also growing the business. So yes, as I said, it is shaping up well and it has a very high opportunities. Let's come to the challenges of the industry. Industry is quite challenging. Why? It has a very high spread, fragmented. If you want to serve the industry, it is pan India, so footprint is very high. There are plenty of operators, like starting from a small truck operator to a big fleet operator to even a trucker, and all are looking for a telematics solution. Because of this, cost is a criteria. There is acute price war. People are dropping the rate at the cost of quality. And also, cash burn companies are seeing very large potential in the business. So they are rather at a cash burn to acquire the client. And because of this, it is a fiercely competitive market. So though opportunities are so high, market is tremendously competitive. There our role comes. My role is that how we mitigate the challenges and make the business. So we have always written on one thing. It is a question of reliability, what you offer in terms of your solution to the client. When there is a very high price wars, we always believe that you have to add some value, and that's why Omnitalk is in a value addition business for them. We basically are trying to target pain area of the user, end user, so that they derive their return on investment, which will make them feel that whatever they are using it, it is just not for a mandate. Once they start using it on a return on investment, they will be able to engage the things also. To do all these things, there are two parameters. A, my sales reach should be very good. So we are spread across the country, reaching the target, right segments, etc. And our tech reach also should be very strong. So we as a company have built a very strong tech platform. So with sales, tech platform and industry also shaping up well, I see very good future for Omnitalk, which will be giving a very sustainable business and growth to Omnitalk.